Well, this is a news for you. I'm a fan of High Radio. Okay, I always follow them. Um, Breaking news: President Salva Kiir has fired Warrap State Governor Anyieny and the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Disaster Management Peter Mayen Majongdit. Okay, let's take a look at the picture. Okay, there and all right. So we have another one here. Okay, there. So let's see whom they put in their position. Let's take a look. Let me go back here. Okay, hold on. Let's go up. Okay. So this. Okay. President Kiir has appointed Maniem Bol Malek as a governor of Warrap State in the place of General Anyieny. Malek was a former deputy governor of the function Toji State. Okay, okay. So this is a guy that they put in general place. So you can see. Okay, yeah, it might be the right person for the job, but to me, what I want to say right now about this mm, replacing, removing somebody who was acting, and who is acting as a governor, without providing any reason. It means that even the next one will also do something which terrify the society. So to me, if they want to remove anybody, I'm just saying, so they should first sue the person who did the wrong. Instead, they remove you without, telling you what wrong you have done and what you should pay for. Because if you are removed from the position, it means that you did something wrong. So if you did something wrong and the serious measure was not taken on you by the president, it means that even the next person also do some harmful thing to the society. So I'm just saying, if a person is being removed for his wrongdoing, it should be sued and punished so that the other person who is coming next will not do the same things again. So that style should be practiced, because otherwise a person should be put to jail or be sued for maybe if a person steal or do any harmful stuff to the society fund, it should be punished or put to jail, because we need an examples so that people who are coming later will not do any harmful things. But the way I'm seeing it, it seems like everybody come and goes. You do your time, you take whatever you want to take, because tomorrow it is must that you will be removed. You will do whatever you want to do to help yourself, help your family, and do not care about others, because you know that you will be removed from there. And this thing will be like a culture. Everybody will come, will try to benefit him or herself, and that's it. After that, you are removed, you go there and get another job, because you already have money already that you have taken from your leadership. So this is not a good news. So I would suggest that a president, Mr. Salva Kiir, should do something about that. Should not simply remove the person and then put another person in his position. Okay, so it is like now, if we are saying that Salva Kiir or President Salva Kiir should be removing each and everyone that is doing wrong, what about him? He should be removed also if he's acting like that, because what we are seeing, there's no benefit, there's nothing. It's like he can remove you whenever he feel like he want to. So if you do not have any good time with him, he will remove you. So this is not right thing. What about those who do not have authority to remove him? So I think we should not be removing people, or the president should simply be correcting them to do what is right. Because in later on, when during the election, okay, I feel terrified, because if the election come and people vote to remove the president and putting someone else, what about that someone else will act the same way that the president been acting? Because people are waiting for their authority. When they get authority, they will do harmful things to the society. I would say that people should not be voting for president to step down, but they should be voting for president to step up, because we want him to remove whatever he think he might be, or he can start correcting himself right now. Okay, anyway guys, thank you for watching. This is what I have here. Bye bye.